Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Quant and picking up where we left off in the previous Quant video. Now, looking at how things currently are playing out here with Quant, Quant is recovering right now from, of course, the FTX fallout, but at the same time, it was coming down anyways before the FTX fallout within this second wave. So we might have seen the wave 2 come down a little bit more than we had wanted it to. But at the same time, if we are complete with that, there is still plenty of opportunity here to see some pretty decent sized gains. Now, if we look at how things had played out here within the wave 2, you can see that we did come down within 5 waves. So if we are complete here, we are within that possible third wave now, and can potentially have some pretty good gains within this wave 3. Now, if we look at how things have played out here within the wave 1, we had seen Quant's price go from its 52-week low that was around $40, and then it quickly went up here within this wave 1, completed that wave 1 at a price that was around $229, somewhere around there, and then it had come down here within this wave 2, and now we're working our way up. So if we look at the retracement here from the wave 1 to the wave 2, you can see that right now within this wave 3, hopefully within this wave 3, if it is in fact the wave 3, that we have now seen a decent sized recovery. We're within that 786 Fibonacci level right now, and there's plenty more here to continue to gain. Now, there could be a possibility here within this wave 3 that there could be a significant amount to actually go up, especially if we were looking at Quant's price from where it was at back in September of 2021, where Quant's price was upwards around $425, somewhere around there. And then it had come down within these 5 waves. So now we're working on this next pattern here, this next bullish pattern within this possible 5 waves that we could have to the upside here, and do a lot of this retracement within Quant's price from where it was back in 2021. I'm thinking that we could be seeing some pretty decent sized gains within this wave 3. There's plenty there to retrace, and there's a good possibility that we could be seeing this wave 3 go upwards above the price of $300, I would think. So there's plenty of opportunity to see some decent sized gains, especially within this wave 1, how we had seen the price of Quant actually go up to where Quant was within its wave 2 that it had when the price was coming down. So there's a lot of potential here for Quant to actually make a lot of these gains back that it had, but not only that, to of course recover from this whole FTX fallout, which it's doing really well as far as that does go, especially when you look at the fact that it had gone from a price that was around $93 and continued to work its way up to where it's at right now. So that's a decent sized price move, and I think that there's a great opportunity. This is just going to continue. I think that we are done with that wave 2, at least from what everything is telling us now. It's not telling us anything different. So just running with that we're within that wave 3, and we could be seeing the possibility here with a lot of potential here for Quant to go up a pretty decent amount. Now, of course, there could be a great possibility that we don't go back and retrace the all-time highs within these 5 waves to the upside. But at the same time, there could be that potential possibility. Of course, altcoins have been very beat up, but I think this wave 3 is going to lead us pretty deep into 2023. I think that it could even take us into the second quarter of 2023, if not even further than that. And by the time we would complete that wave 5, I would say that would be by the end of the year or even by 2024. We'll have to see how things do play out there. But seeing that the length of the wave 1 had taken us from mid-June on into the month of October, there's a great opportunity that this wave 3 could be one that can be taking a much longer to actually complete than the wave 1. So a lot of potential here, but we'll have to see how things do continue to play out. I would expect that as we go here within these sub waves of the wave 1, at some point we will see these there become a bit of pullback within the price. And that would just be expected. So it's going to be interesting to keep track of it, but I think that there is a great possibility that this would all continue to play out. So as far as things go here within the short term, as far as possibly seeing the price of Quant retracing at least 50% of the price from where it was coming down here within the wave 2. I'd say that we could be seeing that happen sometime by the end of the month. So I would say sometime between December 28th and into the new year, sometime within the first couple weeks of January, possibly be seeing Quant reach this price zone here, somewhere around the price of $150 to $170, somewhere around there, to retrace 50% from where we're at within the wave 1 to the wave 2. So that's my current price prediction that I'm going with Quant right now. But of course, I'll keep you guys updated on what does happen with Quant, as this is going to be an interesting one to follow, how it does retrace these previous this previous dip that I had within the price. So I'll keep you guys updated. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.